Today I'm going to talk a little bit about what happens between the time you sign a contract to file a Chapter 7 or 13 bankruptcy and the time you actually sign your petition. Generally, in a Chapter 13, your petition will be signed within 1 day to 10 days after you sign your contract. In a Chapter 7, it will depend on what our agreement is with respect to the attorney fee. However, once we have been retained, that is, you sign a contract, which is generally no money down in a Chapter 13 and $50 in a Chapter 7, we will put you in our computer. We will provide you a card so you know what to tell your creditors when they call. The card will basically say, I will not pay. I am doing a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 on a given date. My attorneys are Mayer and Newton, and we give our phone number, and please call an 800 number after I file for a case number. Once you read off that card, your creditors are prohibited from talking to you any further. You are a representative party, in addition which, if a creditor starts talking to you, that would be considered harassment because you already advised them not to pay and to contact your attorney. So once you sign a contract, in our opinion, you have significant protections. If you're going to do a Chapter 7 or a 13, you generally need to keep paying your mortgage payments unless the house payment is included in the plan. If you're doing a Chapter 7 and you plan to keep a motor vehicle, absolutely keep making the motor vehicle payment. Generally, we'll advise you not to pay anybody else. We will advise you not to put any money in any bank, credit unions if you owe that bank or credit union money or you're negative on one of their accounts. For example, if you are negative in your account at a local bank in the amount of $100 and you deposit your paycheck in there for $200, I can assure you the bank or financial institution will take that first $100 no matter what. They have a right to do that, and their computers will automatically take your $100 of your $200 and put it over into bank funds. So therefore, we'll advise you immediately to either change banks or not to use that bank to deposit money. If you do owe the bank money because you're negative, you can include that in your Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. So therefore, between the time you sign your contract with our law firm and file your petition, in my opinion, you have significant protections. That we do suggest, however, the quicker you get your case filed, the quicker we upload the petition to the United States Bankruptcy Court, the quicker you do get the legal protections of the bankruptcy automatic stay. If you do owe fines or penalties, criminal type penalties, we insist that you keep making those payments because after all they are not dischargeable in a bankruptcy. So it's important we would advise you to keep making those payments. Thank you.